Hi, this video covers how to create an embedded tile and an RSS tile. Let's start with embedded tiles. Embedded tiles allow you to access content without having to go to another tab. You can embed anything from YouTube videos, blogs, presentations, Google Docs, and more. I will use a YouTube video as an example. Go to the YouTube video you'd like to embed into the web mix and copy the URL in the address bar or the share link underneath the video. Now go back to Symbaloo and select any empty square. You will be able to paste the URL into the Symbaloo search bar, and Symbaloo will automatically recognize it as a potential embedded tile. It will also auto-populate the tile information as well as a thumbnail. So go ahead and add it to your web mix. If you'd like to change anything about this tile, you can right-click and select Edit. Now, when you click on your embedded tile, it will open directly within Symbaloo. Okay, now let's learn about RSS tiles. RSS tiles allow you to have access to your favorite news content in a list format on Symbaloo. So go to the news source website you'd like to add to your web mix and copy the URL from the address bar. Now press on any empty square on Symbaloo and paste the URL in the search bar. Symbaloo may automatically detect it as an RSS tile. You will know it's an RSS tile because of the little icon in the corner of the tile. When you're ready, click on Add to Web Mix. Now, when you click on your tile, a list of the latest posts will appear in your center box. If you'd like to remove the list from the center box once you're done, simply press on the Google tile to return to your original center box. Learn how to copy and move tiles in the next video.